My name is Scarlett and I'm going to be interviewing you today. What's your name?
My name is Yee Lam and I'm an associate in civil in Brisbane.
Why did you want to be an engineer?
Because I want to make a difference and leave a legacy behind. I want to be able to tell my future children and future grandchildren that this is what I did in 20, 30 years ago.
What type of projects do you work on?
I work on civil infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, culverts.
Does that mean you design the mega big highways, bridges and tunnels?
Yes, and one of the bigger projects that I was involved in was the Pacific Motorway upgrade from the Gateway to Springwood. What's the longest road trip you've ever been?
Probably from Melbourne to Bundalong.
Do you have a favourite song that you play in the car?
Yes, Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again.
We'll get along really well, you know.
Yeah, we will. How do you get to work?
I get to work by bus because I live right next to the busway, which is a special highway for buses.
What was the very first project you ever worked on?
The very first project that I ever worked on was a traffic impact assessment for a $200 million development.
What?
If you were an engineer, what kind of projects would you like to work on?
Probably like technology, kind of like engineering, and also building rockets for NASA.
Oh, that's really cool. I do have a friend who was building rockets in NASA.
That's really cool. Do you work in a team in Queensland?
Yes, I do. My team has about 30 people in the civil team, but in the whole of Brisbane, they have 80 people.
What is the best day that you've ever had at work and why?
The best day that I've ever had was the opening day of a project that I was involved in from the very start in planning stage all the way to the end of construction, and when politicians and the community come in and cut a ribbon and I get to walk on it. And I can say this is a project that I get to see from nothing to something, and it is still there. And every time I drive past it and I go, this thing wouldn't be here if it's not because of me.
Oh my gosh, wow.